In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust employee leave balances in Xero Payroll. By the end, you'll confidently update an employee's leave setup and balances so future pay runs calculate correctly. Before we start, make sure you have the right payroll permissions and that you know which leave type and balance the employee should have according to your company policy and local regulations. From your Xero dashboard, open the payroll area. This takes you into the payroll workspace where employee records and leave settings live. Next, head into employees to see your team list. Find and select the employee you need to update. It's worth double checking you've got the right person and that their employment status and pay calendar are current, since those details can influence how leave accrues. Inside the employee profile, switch to the Leave tab. This is where you can view existing leave lines and add new ones. Choose Assign Leave Type to begin setting up or adjusting the specific leave you're working on. If the employee already has this leave type and you're just correcting balances, you'll still use this area to make the change. In the Leave field, pick the leave type you want to manage. For this walkthrough, I'll choose Compassionate Leave as an example, but the same process applies to other leave types like annual or sick leave. Make sure you match the leave type exactly to your policy, since each type may have different rules or entitlements. Next, select the Leave Calculation method. Choose Fixed Amount. Each period for this example. This method is helpful when the employee accrues a set number of hours every pay period. Depending on your setup, you might use alternatives, but stick with the method that reflects how your organization grants this entitlement. Now enter the hours accrued annually. This is the total hours the employee should receive over a full year. If your policy is in days, convert it to hours based on your standard workday. Use decimals if needed and be consistent with your company's rounding rules. Then enter the opening balance. This represents what the employee has available as of your chosen start date, such as when you transition to Xero or at the beginning of the leave year. Use a positive number for entitlement owed, and only use a negative balance if your policy allows it and the employee has taken more than they had available. Finally, click Save. After saving, you'll see the leave line reflected on the employee's Leave tab. That's it. Your adjustments are in place and will flow through to upcoming pay runs and leave requests.